It's me, Aahana, and today we are going to be learning about science together. The topic in science that we're going to choose is matter and solid, liquid and gas. Right. Now, do you know what is matter? Comment down below if you know. But all things that occupy space and have a mass are called matter. Now, I hope you guys know what are solids, liquids and gas. Can you give me a definition? Wonderful! So, molecules in the solids are tightly packed together with strong forces. That's why it is hard to move solids. Like a Rubik's Cube and wood are solids. They are very tightly packed together, so it's hard to cut, move, all that stuff. So molecules that are a little loosely packed but have gaps between them are liquids. So we have noticed when we drink orange juice or when we drink water, it pours out in whatever form the container is in. Like we have a long glass. The water will pour in the glass will also take the shape of the glass. If we have a bowl, the water that we pour in the bowl will take the space in the bowl. So that means that the molecules are a little far apart. But the molecules in the gas are very loosely packed with lots of empty spaces between them. That is gas. Like the air around us is so loosely packed that we can't even see it. Do you know that a changing of a solid here into a liquid here is called melting? Do you seem familiar with melting? Aha! Yes, in summers when I used to feel hot, I used to take out the ice cubes from my refrigerator. And when I used to hold them in my hand, they used to melt and water kept on falling from my hand. I'm very angry at ice, but this is because of melting when a solid changes into a liquid. Now, changing liquid into gas is called evaporation. We have noticed that when we put a lot of water in a vessel like this over here, the water and when we turn on the gas, after a few minutes, the fire over here makes the vessel, the water inside the vessel so hot that it wants to fly away. And when it flies away, it reaches, like when we cover it, it reaches the surface and it forms tiny, tiny droplets on top. And the water in the vessel becomes lesser the more it evaporates. So the hotter it gets, the more it evaporates. So that also tells us that changing liquid into gaseous form is evaporation. And air around us has these water vapors, which is also a form of evaporation. The water vapor present in the air is called moisture. We've noticed when on our faces, every part of our body gets really sticky in the summers. That is all moisture when water comes and sits on our faces. Now, changing gas into water is condensation. Like I gave the example, we have a vessel, we have fire. Now, when we put a lid on top, the water that evaporates turns into tiny droplets. Like when it gets hot in summers, more rains happen because the water evaporates due to the heat and turns into all these clouds over here, and the clouds are made of tiny droplets which condensate when they reach to the sky. But changing liquid into solid again is freezing. And we know that that's what the freezer is for. When we put water in all those silicon molds of ice and all that, it changes into becoming very hard. That makes the liquid, the water that can take the shape of any container, into a solid that can't even be broken. Well, now let's see. Oh, do you know what is a solute? Maybe let's save that for next time. Alright, that was all I had for today. 5 minutes are up. Oh my god. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Okay, bye bye, guys. And I hope you learned. Whatever doubts you have, please comment them down below in the chat box that is down there. Comment section. Alright, everyone. Bye bye.